In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a 5 EMA, or Exponential Moving Average, in Tradingview. EMA is a crucial tool used by many traders to smooth out price data and identify trends over specific periods. Let's dive right into the process to get you started with using a 5 EMA on your charts. To begin, open your chart on Tradingview. This can either be an existing chart you've been working with or a completely fresh one. Once your chart is opened and you're ready, look towards the top toolbar. You'll find an option titled Indicators. Give that a click, or if you prefer using shortcuts, simply press the / on your keyboard. Now that you're in the Indicators menu, type in Exponential Moving Average in the search bar. You'll see it pop up in the list of results, so go ahead and select it. This action will add the EMA to your chart immediately, visible as a line overlaying your existing price data. You might notice that by default, the EMA line isn't set to the 5 periods that we're aiming for today, but we'll adjust that in the next step. Your next task is to customize the EMA to make it a 5 EMA. To do this, locate the EMA that's been added under the chart symbol. You should see it denoted as EMA followed by a number in parentheses, indicating the default period setting. Right next to this label, there will be a small gear icon. Click on it to open the Settings menu for this indicator. When the Settings window opens, you'll be on the Inputs tab by default. Here, you'll find the length field. Change this value to 5. In essence, this sets your EMA to smooth out data across a span of 5 periods. The reason we keep the source set to close is because we're averaging the closing prices, which is a common practice in technical analysis. While you're in the Settings window, you have the option to customize the appearance of the EMA line to suit your preferences. Switching over to the Style tab, you'll find controls to change the line's color and thickness. This customization isn't just for aesthetic purposes. It can also help you distinguish your EMA among other indicators on the chart, making your analysis clearer and more efficient. Once you're happy with your settings, simply click OK, and your 5 EMA is all set up and ready to use. Now you can assess trends with greater precision, using the EMA to identify momentum shifts or potential reversals in the market. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to applying the 5 EMA to your Tradingview charts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorial videos for more trading tips and tricks.